this bike I picked up on Facebook Marketplace. So I got this maybe 4 months ago on Facebook Marketplace. Seller absolutely lied to my face. I show up and the thing has cracked plastics everywhere, horrible shape, the gauges don't work. We got frame damage, folks. The seller did not disclose frame damage. So this thing is coming all the way back apart. The alignment of the whole front end is completely off. And that's what we're going to dig into in a coming video here, is getting that absolutely square.